Hey guys, in front of me is Redmi 14C and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and personalization. Here select the source from which you want to choose your wallpaper, and let me pick one from new online wallpapers. For example, this one. As you can see, just tap to preview. You can zoom it in out however you like, then mark apply, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. I want to set it for both, and that's it. As you can see from now on, it's covering your home screen and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.